So this where they get the water for the production. Yeah, everything is neat and under hygienic control. Yeah, so poly tank for the kinky, and besides it will be on fire. So.
I'm gonna look one million no more. Man, back grab as a caretaker. My caretaker was 26 years. There situation. Into Dokunu show, work a show of your
okay.
So I come from here and Baha.
I can't come body. Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is boy Cookie with Sindaco, and I'm back again. Yeah, Orkodo. I'm in the western region of Ghana, and there's a district called Shama, and there's a small town called Shama Grabodo. Over here, the town is known by the authentic Fanti Kinky that they produce, yeah? Dokunu, the original Dokunu. So one person brought this business and taught the others, and now the whole community is benefiting from the business. Wow. So I hope you like this video, enjoy, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother, Cookie with Sindaco. Let's do this, Orkodo. Hey, Namai. Okay, couple cheers. Dokunu couple cheers. Yes,
man, I'm a Dokunu.
Shama.
Dokunu.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. It's on the chile, man. At a yellow kutina musa. Answer. I don't Dokunu or you yellow no musa.
Enjoy. I tell and I said Fufuna.
One top. Okay. Okay, so this is some of the final kinky. This is how it looks like. Yeah. Dokunu, the original authentic Dokunu we have in Ghana. So they use most of the yellow corn for the preparation of the kinky. Yeah, you know Ghana, there's only one kinky that's famous, the fancy kinky, and it's competing with the guy kinky.
Yeah, for 3 days na ye che bruno. Nti yi twa na ya akanya.
Okay.
Ya nyam na ya fit na ye bititi. Ya da hyehyɛ Robinson. Na ya katakata do. Adecha na ya san ya gidasan na esigedo. Na ya ye. Ya kan
fi. Your friend mun yamba mun 20 days ansana. I want to pay.
Ya nyamba adechi.
Only 3 days.
Ebrono
Abaka o ndoko. Ebi o so okay. O wanye me we watch ma 3 days so ansana.
Dabi. Yi ndoko wan na.
Yi ndoko no.
Aniza abaka adisi wonu me peno wa aka wa so.
Okay, that's been sour. It becomes sour. Yeah. This is the condo, and as you see, it's yellow because of the corn. The corn is yellow, so we have our water on fire, yeah, boiling, and now we have the condo being placed inside.
Oh, man, you are not Santiago Medjuma. It's so sick and qual.
Yeah, so it has been divided like 3/4, sorry. And we have cut over here. This is the raw one. So they'll cook this, and they will later mix with the raw one. Yeah. So this is the correct authentic Dokunu, yeah, the famous one.
Oh, mommy, again, that's
so they do washing of the leaves over here before they use to wrap the kinky, yeah? So this is the water that the lady was pouring. So they use these ones. Over here to use the leaves, uncleaned one. So after here they go and wash it. Yeah, so this is the second washing, but this time around it's done separately. So
it's a washer.
Really, okay.
That's so.
Okay.
Amasa, and here we are. You know,
Yeah, so after 5 to 10 minutes of doing the stirring, it's not ready because we're not supposed to cook it. Yeah, half done and it's okay.
So I'm here going to back for me. Back up for you. My tummy sick. Sasu mato baby. Onada. So I'm here.
So now mixing the raw one with the half cooked or half boiled, yeah. So we do the mixing.
Baby, I do work when you're working and I went out. What I am mentioned. What to walk?
Yeah, I'm working with you.
Basically, no way, married counseling, I'm going anyway. So this is the real deal. You need to mix, and the temperature inside you can't use your bare hand. Yeah. She's my main tower. Basically, this place belongs to her and her sister. What's your sister now? No, what's sister? Okuma. Okay. Okay, so it's like a family kind of family kind of business. Yeah. She brought this skanky business into this community and she taught this lady how to do it and it's like circulating the family. Interesting. Yeah, so interesting place and these people are fortunate to be under the shade to avoid the sun and like I'm proud of that because most places they do direct under the sun and it's heartbreaking. Like you see them suffering, standing beside the sun, the fire as well. Yeah, so under the shade is quite impressive and yeah. So this is Shama Western region and we are making fancy Dokunu. In Dokunu, yeah, in Dokunu, they're the authentic ones. What are you babbling? Brother, are you imposing beer?
That view.
The difference on the difference.
Oh, important, so you did too much. So you did brother have any teacher and you didn't pour have any yet.
I told you no mix up. Okay.
And to say the Dokunu to man, net is son of the Dokunu, one of the Dokunu I don't.
Okay.
We are seeing. So we boom one.
Like about this type of you put them use different leaves. You put them use.
Oh, I am not say I had to win the why. And I I'm wasn't. I'm more to watching.
Watch it, okay.
And I said I. Dash it. Necessary, you be her. And some man, I don't know, young cotton.
So also the matching.
Hey. Yanuya, to the Achna.
I'm here 4 hours, 3 hours maybe.
Dabby.
I don't know. 3 hours, 3 hours or 4 hours. Because of the leaves and doors who in China, in some Bington.
Mesa, Nejuma no Yamotan, Nejuma and Morton. I no, I have fun.
Okay.
And to say, and says I need to choose the salad.
Oh, you're Popo. Okay.
To them not.
Okay, interesting.
Dem no tinsa ade chance na ye tutu.
Upe ko bibane. Omesa wankwa. Oyite kwa wachi sisa wasiwe debe akono beku. Ayabiana sante kwa juma. Contractor. Tibanko.
Or second one, so no. How many years now I should have queen? How many years I should have queen? Why I should have queen for 1 year? Okay. Now before now, 1 year for now, I should have queen. The crew of me was starting actually. I know was too okay. Dracula. Yeah, so if you want kenke in quantity, in large quantity, yeah, you can call our mom over here 0555 146831. Yeah, so if you want kenke in large quantity, you can call our mom and but sort out simply when yeah, so this will be overnight, yeah. So it's now something like 6-7 p.m. and yeah, so this is the wood, the firewood that we used to cook or to boil this kenke.
So Kenny. Oyer. We're the troubles. Oyer, no bada. Oh, mommy,
So this is the covering. We use this thing to cover. After what has been added, yeah. After what has been added, we use this thing to cover it. This sack, yeah, the wool sack, and there's some of the leaves.
Oh, man, if you're not
so contact her for your orders, yeah. One of us, like where you are, you get it. So don't worry about the distance.
Special kinky.
Yeah, the person when I send you my community, you know. So I'm yeah, so after the sack has been what do you call it? Used to cover up, you have this stone to put pressure on the sack so that it won't come out. Yeah, so basically this our kinky packed, fully packed, and about to light up. It's on fire for overnight till morning, next day morning. So I can't be here. I've just showed you the important parts of it. Yeah. So let's do this again for Shizm and Nizm. Subscribe, follow us on Facebook. Okay, with Sindaco. Let's do this again. I'm out. Thank you and good luck. Mambo's on me. Like a high. Hi, Bobby. Hi. What are they? A great terrier. Okay, this is a terrier. Okay. Wow. So she said she brought kenke to this community. Yeah, the fancy kenke. Yeah, so kenke muka cheers. I know you not did. What say? Man, cheers. Hey, how about the fans? I'm not from me. I don't have the fans. Almost man. Maybe I saw me that. Yeah, but thank you. What's so proud what ensues? Don't for you, man. For you, man, community no. They be in yasum. Some be the baby. I'm sure. Almost there. Kewa. What for day? What from Nana Kwam Neji? Okay.
So